How to add your PNR number in the Where is my train application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can add your PNR number in the Where is my train application in Android or iOS devices. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply download the Where is my application from the Play Store or the App Store, and the steps are almost identical with some minor changes in the UI between the Android and the iOS devices. So simply open up your Where is my train application, and once you'll open this, you can see an interface like this. Now in order to add your PNR number in the application, you need to click onto this PNR button at the bottom left. Once you will do this, you can see a screen like this. Now in here, simply enter your PNR number in this particular form specified, and once you will enter this, you need to click onto this Find PNR Status button. Once you will do this, you will be given this particular screen, and from here it will automatically fill up your PNR number. Then you will need to click onto this submit button, and it will ask you to solve this captcha. So simply solve this particular maths equation and then click onto the submit button. And once you will do this, you can see that it has got all of the details of my PNR number. So in order to save this into your application, you need to simply go back, and now you can see that the ticket or the PNR number is being simply shown into the application with all of the details as specified. So that's how easily you can add a PNR number in the Where is my train application. So that was all for this simple and easy tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our latest channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.